Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I'm back with my box cutter doing an unboxing. Just got a full one here, right there, in the mail from our pickers. Okay, guys, I got a lot of people asking me, like, where do I get these boxes? These boxes come to me from my brother, who runs our team of pickers on the other side of the country. So this isn't like a mystery box that I just ordered from someone. This is like, we employ people who pick this shit for us. That's how we've been doing this for years and years and years, and that's why we're still doing this, and we've been able to sustain a successful business. So yeah, gonna do the usual. I'm gonna sort it, and then I'm gonna show you my favorite shit. You ready? Let's go. Narrowed it down. Still a fat stack. Okay, let's get into it. Picked out some random ones, some ones I like. Some 80s heart on a Screen Stars size medium, 1982 tour. Why not? Okay, stop the chop, but hey. This one is Knoxville on a all sport tag, cropped and chopped. You know, there's a lady out there. I actually have this one in my personal Jackass collection, so this one's up for grabs. Another 80s, Judas Priest, 1984, kind of bootleg parking lot tee vibes. Might be legit though. Judas Priest. This one's kind of rad. A lot of these came out of our Toronto store, so I don't know, I've probably mentioned it on podcast or something, but we closed our Toronto store in the fall time, and we're going to be reopening a new Toronto location probably in the springtime. Taking a little break, which was not a bad time considering Toronto's been closed for like 4 months or something. So yeah, a lot of these came out of the Toronto store. Much Music Video Dance Party on the Hanes 100% cotton single dingle. That might be the first time I've said single dingle. Another Pakistani bootleg, Lover Boy. Everybody's working for the weekend. Lover Boy. But this one says Get Lucky. I don't know that song, but hey, I'm sure it's a gooder. Yeah, this is 100% cotton, large, Pakistani tee. I love they just have really vibrant, great graphics, those style shirts. Okay. Seventh son of a seventh son, Iron Maiden. I saw Iron Maiden live in like 2010 maybe? 210, something like that. This is 80s though. This is size medium on a Watson tag. Another 80s, The Who. Okay, here's a cool one. Little tidbit of information. This is a official Boy Scouts tee. This one's like dead stock. This tag. This is probably 60s. Philmont Scout Ranch. It's a Boy Scout Ranch. Single. Really dope. If you see these, grab them. OG 60s t-shirt. Okay. Certified Super Hammer. Pink Floyd. Major hammer. sicker graphic. Oh, look at that. Yes. It's a sicker, baby. I picked out a lot. I don't know. I kind of went overboard. Okay. Blues Traveler tie-dye on the Delta. Super cool graphic. Great tie-dye. Great colors. Blues Traveler on the Delta Pro weight. Size large. I'm going to get her moving here because you know what? Your time is valuable. I know you guys just want to see the shirts and get moving on. Okay. This is an Adidas Run DMC Sweatshirt. Okay. OG 80s Adidas tag. Size, probably like a size large. These, okay, this colorway is kind of rare. Hollis Crew on the back. Adidas and Run DMC had a deal through the 80s, like my Adidas era. Run DMC, they produce a bunch of gear. You can get t-shirts. There's a bunch of different sweatshirt versions of this. I saw round 2 auction went off on their first ever live last night, which was dope. The red version. But yeah, if you're interested in any of this stuff, if you guys want any of this stuff, hit me up. I'm down to make deals. I'm super down to make deals. So hit me up in the DMs. Instagram, Drew Heifetz. This one is for the personal stash. Maiden USA. Blind long sleeve. Blind Reaper long sleeve with the bloody sleeve hit. That gory, bloody, drippy sleeve hit. Okay, who listens to my podcast? Who out there watching this right now sits through our episodes of my podcast? If you do, go comment your favorite podcast episode. Okay, I want to know who it was. There's like over 50 episodes of the podcast right now. So lots more coming. I got wicked guests lined up. Okay, we got a Three Stooges big head. Triple big head on the Tall-Tex tag. Size XL. A couple Atari t-shirts, which is fucking rare. Look, I got to change this tag XL. Atari video game system. One of the first OG video game systems, which I actually have. Well, Jesse has a crazy video game collection, but I have the OG Atari over there. Celine Dion. Enough said. Another Stooges, which is curly 316 spoof. Friggin' rad one. Okay, I got this OG gray tag Jordan sweatshirt. Size medium. V-rare. V-rare. I have a size large. Something like that. Kuna Matata, right? Kuna Matata on the Walt Disney World tag. Lion King, baby. Iowa Slipknot. I don't know. For Slipknot, this is like one of my favorites. This is an All Sport XL. Nice. Okay, we're getting down there, but there's still a lot. Okay. I have Super Grand Slam of Boxing. Trinidad, Chavez, Brown, 4 championship fights. January 29th, date, I don't know the date. Oh yeah, 1994. Julio Cesar Chavez. For the boxing heads. I have another boxing team here. Thought this was rad because it's just, I don't know, get a lot of Marleys, but this is a good one, and it's on an All Sport XL. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Classic quote. Line from a song. Okay, this is another Atari. Tagless, but look, got the Atari hit on the back. Centipede. Such a good game. Obviously single. I don't know. Might have been a change. Yeah, it probably was a changes tag too, actually. Single all around. Okay, I have Jay-Z and Eminem. Not sure the year. It's a tour tee, double stitch. Guessing early 2000s. Still certified hammer. Okay, we got a Tina Foreign Affairs. Tina Foreign Affairs. Tour stops on the back. Very rad. Probably like the modern medium. Okay, George Foreman. Over 40 ain't over. World champion. Nothing on the back. Not sure what this is for a fight or something, but it's not really for a fight. I think this is just like a promo. Still. George Foreman grill. Who's got one? Okay, we got the Psycho movie tee. 1996 Psycho TM 96 on the Champ tag. Obviously the movie Psycho was way older than that. This is a later promo for the movie. Still super rad. Very, very classic horror film. Okay, this is another hammer. Lord of the Rings. Dated 2001. Check the graphic. It's like a tie-dye kind of all over print. It's got that crazy like circular ring deal going on. Lord of the Rings hit. I don't know the names of these guys. Lord of the Rings tag. Salem XL Bulls Rings tee. Not super uncommon, but still certified hammer. Okay, I'm pretty sure we have the Nasty Nas Supreme tee. It does have the hit. Hard, can you see it? Pretty sure this is authentic. Pretty sure this is authentic. Not really vintage. That was only like, what, 3 years ago or something that came out, but still a rare one. Bootleg Ralph Lauren US Polo. Not to be confused with USPA. Polo Janky XL tag. Made in USA. Ralph Lauren. Actually, fuck. I don't know. This could be real. Somebody tell me. Does that look boot or real to you? I think it's real. I think it's real. At first glance, I thought this was boot, but I think it's real. Okay. Couple bootlegs coming up, though. We have a Mickey. Jamaica Mickey bootleg. And we have a Bootleg Bart. Super good one. The tag is SIM extra large. Check this graphic. I can't help it because the girls love me. Big old butt. I got it made. I have to edit this out. This is me getting my my screen capture for the thumbnail. Maybe I won't edit it out. Maybe you can just watch me get my screen capture. Okay, 2001, 2002 Rolling Stones, but check out this graphic. AOP Mania on the Stones. On the Hanes Heavyweight, I think it's XL, yup. Almost done, guys, couple more. Gildan Heavyweight XL, South Park, kind of whatever. This though, I'll save that for last. Okay, this is a Polo Bear. Polo Bear, Casual Bear, XL. You know, nothing special, but it's cool. It's cool. Okay, so this is really sick. 1994 Woodstock tie-dye, you know, grass and blue sky tie-dye vibes. But it's all in the details on this one. The guitar has fractal print. I am a super sucker for fractal print. If you don't know what a fractal is, it's a repeating pattern. It's an insane repeating pattern. It was like super popular in the 90s. You can watch videos of the fractal just like repeating itself. Go look it up. Go down the Google hole on that one. Fruit of the Loom XL. You know, I was at Woodstock 94. Me and my brother Jesse were at Woodstock 94. If you want to hear about that, I'll probably do another episode just talking about that and the shirts that I have from that event. So sick. The hand has like this psychedelic, like, you know, like oil and water, and then the fractal print in the guitar. This one's the sickest. And then the birds have like a freaking spaced out vibe. I should do a whole episode on that, but there is a podcast with my dad called Woodstock. We talk about 1969 because he was there, and we also talk about 94. Anyway, that's it. It's got all the bands on the back. Let me just run through some of this. Aerosmith, Allman Brothers Band, Arrested Development, Blind Melon, Candlebox, Johnny Cash, Jimmy Cliff Reggae Band, Joe Cocker, Collective Soul, Sheryl Crow, Cypress Hill, Bob Dylan, Melissa Etheridge, Peter Gabriel, Green Day, Jackal, Metallica, the Neville Brothers, Nine Inch Nails, Porno for Pyros, Primus, Red Hot Chili Peppers, Spin Doctors, Violent Femmes, Yusu Endure, Salt and Pepper. Man, the lineup was crazy. I didn't even read them all. That's it. If you guys want any of this stuff, hit me up. Obviously, check out Hogan every Friday night at 6 p.m. on Instagram, which my Instagram is right there. Go follow it. We do a live sale, me and Dead Union, my bro Kirby. Also, posting on FasInFrankVintage.com all the time. Go shop right now, FasInFrankVintage.com with code VTGN stuff. That'll be down below in the comments or in the notes with the link to the website, because you're going to get 30% off. You heard it right, 30% off. Go shop at FasInFrankVintage.com. Again, like this video, subscribe to the channel, all that shit. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.